Break 215. Let's go. Break 215. Good luck to everyone. This is 3 boxes of Topps Chrome Hobby. Cool product. So, Milan going to Raul. Ajax going to Asa. Monaco, unsold. Atalanta, Christian. Alexander T. back with Atletico de Madrid. Jose's got Borussia. Christian's got the Young Boys. Christoph's got Chelsea again. James with Brugge. Sean D with Barcelona. Mario Q's got München and Milano. Christian S with Porto. Salzburg going to James M. Christian with Sharif. James M with Juventus. Liverpool to Nathan. LXM for Lele. City to Christian S. United to Chris J. Sal's got Paris Saint-Germain. Leipzig going to James. Real Madrid going to Daniel. Sevilla to Raymond. Sporting Club to Christian. VFL to Christoph. And Villarreal to Christian. A lot of Christophers. Trying to say it all. Christian Christophers. All right, guys. Break 215. Let's go. Good luck, good luck, good luck to everybody that's in the break. Thank you so much for joining us. This is Sports Card Pandemic on a Friday night. Break 215. If you notice, there is a pinned message in chat. Check it out. It is a direct link to our website where we are selling spots for a random team break of new product for next week. It is the one and only Chronicles. It is a triple, you heard me right, triple tiered break because there's 60 teams, 20 spots sold. So 20 spots, everyone gets a spot, $50. Unless you buy more than one, I guess. You get 3 random teams. It's a Chris party. Let's see what, let's pull some fire. Come on, let's heat up.
Let's go.
Okay, buddy?
I'm good.
You're passing your kidney stone for a second. I'm like, what's going on with you?
I thought I was going to have to burp, and I don't want to be rude.
Yeah, you get all red. I'm like, damn, this guy's
All red?
Yeah, you were super red. I was like, man. I was like, guys.
What's up, Alex?
I'm going to have to get the defibrillator. Hey, Alex, thanks for joining us, man. Appreciate it. I shouldn't say man, because Alex could be also female. Thank you for joining us, Alex.
Never assumed. Who's the Alex got? Who's the Alex got?
Alex M has Lele. Alex M's got Lele.
L-O-S-C.
L-O-S-C-L, Lele. He goes, it's man. All right, cool. Just checking. All right, here you go, guys. Good luck to everybody. Let's go. Let's go. Let's get some hobby action. Ignacio rookie. Ooh, nice. We got the Speckle. I forgot about the Speckles. James McAtee Speckle for City. Rookie. What are you laughing at?
Forgot about the Speckle.
I forgot about the Camavinga. That's going to be a red.
Damn.
Is it red?
It is red.
It's red for Real Madrid.
Damn.
For Danny G. Daniel G. You got yourself one to 10. 9 of 10. There you go. That's a way to heat things up. 9 of 10. Eduardo Camavinga. There you go. Nice red refractor. Congratulations. Way to start. Here we go. Let's keep going. That's just the beginning, guys. Come on. Don't give up. Silver Cellini. Super nice. Mr. Camavinga. All right. What we got here? Morton rookie. Mariba. A silver. Adeyemi. Speckle of Salah. Actually, no, this is a mini diamond. I'm sorry. Mini diamond Salah to 275. So there you go. Liverpool, 30 of 275. For mini diamond Salah, Liverpool. There you go. Gonzalez, rookie. Another Salah. Silver. It's a Salah. Ugarte, rookie. Coco insert of Future Stars. Ooh, nice. We got the purple gold star ball, I think it's called.
I think it's blue and gold.
Blue and gold
Is it
star ball.
275?
It's not numbered, no.
No, then that's not. Then I'm wrong.
It's a star ball, though.
Purple and gold.
Purple gold?
Yeah, purple gold. Purple and gold.
Was that what I said originally?
No, you said yes.
Exactly.
I said,
Purple and gold, Kevin De Bruyne. There you go. It's like, yes. Man's.
Shit. I was
He's
looking
like-
at this checklist, man. Damn it.
Halaba. I'm gonna have somebody write a different review for you next time. Getting all the praise. The guy doing the cards is alright. The man throwing out some crazy. Mason Mount, Chelsea, chasing glory. Where is Josh anyway?
He took the weekend off.
Oh, is that what he's doing?
I think so. Not that he told me personally.
Oh, okay. I thought you guys were like close.
No.
You're DMing each other. Your MySpace friends. I still got the auto. Come on. We already got a nice Kamavinga to 10. It is a nice design. I agree, Chris. Are you talking about
I
the
think he's talking about the star ball.
Star Ball or our website? No, I'm just being humble, but humble brag.
Being humble. Wait, which design you talking about?
Yeah, what design you talking about? My man here worked really hard on his designs.
Yeah.
All right, second half. Let's go. I feel some nice cards coming. Here we go. Person. Balde. Latuo Martinez Silver. Tonali AC Milan Future Star insert. A Caio for Juventus, Golazo insert rookie. Gutierrez rookie for Real. Alanga for United. A Kunde Future Stars for Seville. Thill for Sharif. We have a nice rookie Gonsalves for Sporting Club. Little speckle action. These are not numbered. Little horizontal speckle.
Chris, you're the customer. Of course it matters, man.
Thank you, sir. Scalvini, Atalanta rookie. Broby rookie. Ooh, nice. Lionel Messi. Night vision. Congratulations, Paris. Saul, if you're in the house. Should be numbered to 225, 203 to 225. Night vision, Lionel Messi. Messier. Lionel Messier. Mendes rookie. Which one? The Lionel? Richards? It's possible. Sabitzer, Marcel.
You start losing track after
Yeah.
a while, man.
They all seem the same. Broby, Silver rookie. Oh, I was gonna say, man, what the hell?
You gave it away because you got scared.
Yeah, man, because I was like, what is going on? It's like there's no auto, and it's the last card. Lucas Hernandez for München. Mario. Lucas Hernandez for Bayern. Not numbered. This is going to be a green lava, maybe?
Yeah, something.
Something like that. Not numbered. Green lava.
Aqua lava.
Aqua lava?
Aqua lava.
Aqua lava. Aqua lava. Lava. Aqua velva. Lucas Hernandez auto for München. Like, man, absolutely the last card. It scared me. It really did.
I saw.
I started realizing, wait a second, there's no more cards. Aqua lava. Wish it was a rookie though, but thank you guys again for joining us. 2 more boxes. This is Sports Card Pandemic Friday Night Breaks. Break 215. you're just joining us, check out the link on top. We're doing next week a random team triple tiered Chronicle Soccer. One spot gets you 3 spots, or 3 teams, I'm sorry. One spot gets you 3 teams, 20 spots sold.
And if you like baseball, we also got Select Baseball that came out today. We're breaking that tomorrow.
Or we
Random
hope
team.
if we sell out the random teams, we'll do it tomorrow.
Yeah, make it sell out, you guys.
Make it happen, guys. Hey, Palushki. Again.
Chris, that one was for you.
Yeah, that was for you, Chris. But for real, man, these things. And then you did 2 of these breaks back to back.
Hey,
By the time I get to baseball, I'm gonna be like, help.
just setting you up for success. That's all.
Oh, is that what it is?
Yeah.
The 10,000 hours? You're putting my 10,000 hours in? Appreciate you looking out for me. Ay, ay, ay. Let's keep the fire going. We got it to 10. What happened?
Chris, for what I feel you.
I know, man. This is crazy. Apparently, we're gonna.
He gets paid by the pack, Chris.
No, he's right. I get paid with packs.
With pack.
Here we go. Sesko, a Mount Silver. De Bruyne. And Cristiano Ronaldo, Chasing Glory insert.
That's nice.
Very nice. Mambimbi, the Young Boys. Conceição for Porto. A Drogba, Colazzo, Chelsea. Insert. I bet, man. He doesn't believe me. He hasn't opened one of these packs yet. I should make him do it just for fun. Christopher Scott. Wow, he's going to get the one that's like butter. It's Christopher Scott. Nice person for Brugge. Little speckle rookie.
Hey, Edmund, Obsidian break is at 11:30 Central Time, my friend. So
That's the last break of the night.
Yeah, we got about 40 minutes, 45. We're running a little bit behind. So
Magha, Kalulu.
not really, though.
Not really.
No.
Ooh, nice. Very nice. Purple mini diamond for the Young Boys. Mambimbi to 250. There you go. Little young boy action. All right, what doesn't sound right? I'm sorry. BSC action. What the hell are you setting me up for here? Palmer. Kunde. Ketalare. These are all the Future Star inserts. Don't worry, I check if they're... Oh, look at Otto again. Snuck on. Jesus Christ. Rafael Leao for Milan. That's Raul Z. Got yourself an auto of Rafael Leao. Not numbered. Congratulations. Very nice. Last time it was the other side. This time it was this side.
Alex said that's a big auto.
Oh, is it really?
Yeah. I mean,
You say yeah, like you knew?
These guys know better than we do.
Well, I believe
man.
Alex, but I mean, you're going there. Yeah, it is big.
I mean,
Like,
who am I to say no? It's not. I don't know soccer like that.
now what makes it a big auto, even though it's not a rookie? Is it because he doesn't sign a lot, or is it because like his second year or something and he's very popular? What makes it a big auto? Just curious. Trying to learn a little bit more about these players obviously would help as I break this. That's a big Abdul.
Kid on the rise. There you
Okay, all right. That's
See?
fair. That's what you want to see. It's like a John Moran auto, second year, third year, fourth year. Can't believe Josh's going to be in the fourth year.
53 minutes. Where's 54 exactly? Where's
54
Josh?
minutes
Where's Josh when you need him?
Fourth year, dude. Can't believe it. Fourth year already.
Yeah.
That's insane. I remember just buying his rookie card. It's nuts.
Kids are young, man.
Yeah, that's true. That is a fact that kids are usually young. You know what? That was a good observation.
I mean-
Appreciate it. Kids are young. As a Lazuli rookie, silver Luis Muriel. This should be number to 125, 71 to 125. This is the off pink.
Yeah, we can't figure
We
out.
can for whatever reason that's not in the. It's not correct. Satriano, Lihaji, a silver rookie of Susic, Pulisic, Hernandez, a silver Kanate, Cristiano rookie. Oh, we have a nice. That was Haaland for a second. Rookie green or teal wave Teagues to 199, 30 to 199. Blue wave, Aqua wave. Aqua's the other blue. Stefan Teagues, Aqua wave rookie. Can't win. Can't win.
Can't win.
Savage for United. Ferran Torres, future star. Broby, rookie. Gravenberch, future star. Mendes, rookie. Scalvini. Pedri for Barcelona, insert. Future star. Richards for München. There's a Haaland. Galazzo, insert. Another purple gold person rookie. Purple gold star ball. Tadic, Foden. A speckle of Pogba. A man Paul Pogba speckle. A Kimmich, München, silver. All right, that was just box 2, guys. All right, let's finish up super strong. Yeah, where is Javi? Now that you said it, Sean, guess what? It's going to be a Gavi action. Javi's a tough pull in these, but when you hit a nice one, it definitely is worth it. But let's go. See that Gavi. Little Barcelona Gavi. 2, 3, 4. Good luck, everyone. Final box. Thank goodness. I'm excited to open that baseball and that obsidian. New stuff. I love opening new stuff.
New stuff.
I think the baseball crowd is starting to filter in here. We're almost done, guys. Baseball coming right up after this. Baseball's all paid up, all sold out, so we'll be going right into baseball. So just running a couple minutes behind here.
Baseball.
The baseball 5-box absolute baseball break. First time opening it this season, so should be fun. Some good stuff in there. There we go. Doze. Ooh, nice. A purple mini diamond of Paul Pogba to 250. 186 to 250. I think it's purple. Purple mini diamond. There's no one around to check, so don't worry, guys. Tomas Balotelli. Silver Reina. You've got short tire rookie Golazzo Cantona for United. Gindigan. Mukoko, future stars insert. A Sabacha rookie, a Susic rookie. We have a Lucas Campos. This is going to be a speckle for Sevilla. A little speckle of Campos. Stanisic, rookie. Ooh, nice. That should be to 75. Danny Olmo, blue wave. for Leipzig. That's James. 22/75. 22/75. Blue Wave, Danny Olmo. Kierkegaard. A silver Cavani. Okay, another Cavani. Silver Olmo. Blanco, D-Lap, Frank, and there's our auto. Buenos Aires. Buenos Aires. For München. There you go, Mario. Mario get the other one too? I think he did. Yeah, he did. You got another. This one's to 199. 187 to 199 from Mario Q. Must be like Zachary's alter ego. Buenos Aires for München. Aqua. He got 2 Aqua Refractor autos. Believe that or not. All right, let's have double Bayern nice hits. I'm telling you, when it rains, it pours. 2 Aqua hits. Where you at, Mario?
Space.
Oh, yes.
Oh, yes.
Oh, yes. So. Last few packs here, and we'll be moving on to baseball. And then tomorrow we are rerunning these 4 breaks exactly the same. So 4 boxes of Topps Chrome Light, 3 boxes of Topps Chrome Hobby, 5 boxes of Absolute Baseball Hobby, and Obsidian 6 box, the other part of the case. So tonight's the first part, tomorrow's the second part of the Obsidian.
Yeah, we also have Select Baseball that just came out today. Random Team Break listed on our site if you're interested in that.
Yep, just check out the site. Random Team Break. Do it. We got a Speckle Mecha. Speckle Mecha. A different Rabiger. Oh no, it's Sidney Rabiger. There you go. Silver rookie. There you go for Leipzig.
He said that was his brother.
He looked different. You have a Yusuf Demir, followed by another Yusuf Demir, but this one's going to be the to 199 Aqua Wave. You know, like you say line when you're an actor. Silver Lahaji. Where's that Gavi? Nakai.
In Chronicles Soccer, I'll have to look at it. I can't remember.
Nuno Mendez, Chasing Glory rookie insert. Bragancia.
I think it actually does.
Hannibal rookie. Noah Lang silver. Teagues rookie. Golazzo Ansu Fati. Insert a purple gold star ball of Dejan Kulusevski. Another Rabiger rookie. A Ferran Torres Future Star insert. Lionel Messi. A Abraham rookie. And a final Harvey Elliott Future Star insert. All right, guys, we're going to recap, and then we'll get on to baseball. So we have the Aqua Wave Demir. A Silver Rabiger. A Speckle Mecha, Speckle Ocampos. A Blue Wave Olmo to 75. A Purple Mini Diamond Pogba to 250. A Golazzo Haaland insert. A Speckle Pogba. A Purple Gold Star Ball of Persin. A Aqua Wave Teagues to 199. Silver Susic rookie. A pink, off pink to 125, Luis Muriel. Mini Diamond Blue to 250 of Mabimbi. A Speckle Person rookie. Cristiano Ronaldo insert chasing glory. Broby silver rookie. A nice night vision Lionel Messi to 225. A Speckle Gonzalez rookie. Look, Golazo Caio George rookie. Another star ball, purple gold star ball of Kevin De Bruyne. A mini diamond of Salah to 275. And a McAtee Speckle rookie.
Alex, to answer your question, it says 3 autos or relics per box, so it all depends on how Panini loads it.
And Kulusevski star ball, purple gold. And Lihaji silver rookie. Last one to show you before we go to the big ones is Nuno Mendes rookie chasing glory. And our autos, our 3 autos, were Buenos Aires and Lucas Hernandez, both aqua. One is an aqua, looks like aqua lava, and one is an actual aqua refractor. Congratulations to Mario. Buenos Aires and Lucas Hernandez. Very nice hits. And Rafael Leao for Milan, not numbered. And we did have a Real Madrid, Eduardo Camavinga out of 10 red refractor, 9 of 10. All right, guys, give us a minute. We'll be right back with baseball.